Hey everybody, starting off the day waylaid. I got a text from my secretary saying the director of purchasing has an emergency and needs me right away. First thing in the morning, had a plan broken. Welcome to the life of a CTO. Okie dokie, so we resolved that little issue, the emergency with purchasing. Okay, so I'm here at Laurel Creek Elementary School, and I had a meeting here that I am now late to. However, I thought I was late to. Turns out I found out that the meeting got canceled and I didn't get the message. So while I'm here, I'm going to run in and check out some classrooms, see what's going on, run through the campus and say hi to some kids and some teachers. And that's when you visit a campus, that's kind of what you do. You know, you make sure that you're seen and that you can answer any questions for people when you're here. One thing I will tell you is there's nothing like the energy that you will find on an elementary school campus. Check it out. So I'm totally stuck in traffic right now on my way to yet another meeting, Solano County Office of Education, and I'm going to meet with all the educational technology leaders in our county. We have a pretty small county. It's only 7 school districts. So you get to know these people pretty well over a period of time. We get to meet once every 2 or 3 months at the county office. And the best thing about it is that they give us lunch. I like free food. Well, okay, that's not the best thing about it. The people are pretty cool, and we learn a lot from each other when we meet. And so these meetings are actually something I really, really try never to miss. Because of that fact, it's always good to find out what the others are doing in their school districts and to kind of collaborate with them. So that's where I'm trying to go right now, but I'm totally stuck in traffic, hardly moving at all. So I thought, why not vlog? So I just got out of a meeting with a principal from Sheldon Elementary, actually K-8. They're going kindergarten through 8th grade. And I really like this school. I like the principal. I like what she's doing and what the school's doing. They are got a lot of Mac book Airs for students that they're implementing, and a lot of iPads that they've been using really, really interesting ways at their school. And the meeting topic of the day was we need to buy a bunch more MacBook Airs to implement for next school year, and we don't have the money to do it right now. So we have the money for next year, but we need to order them now in order to get them in and have them ready by the time school year starts in August. So that was an interesting meeting, and I think we're going to figure out how that's going to work for them so that we can make that happen. Now I'm getting ready to go into another meeting, and in this meeting we're going to be talking to Dell about what it is that they're bringing around switches, network switches, and we might be talking a little bit about our server infrastructure as well. So from one meeting to the next meeting, to the next meeting, you're going to see that my life is full of meetings. And I'll talk a little bit about that later. Hey McKenna.
What?
What's a Flappy Bird?
I don't know.
Why don't you know what a Flappy Bird is?
I don't know. I just downloaded it, and I'm gonna find out.
Why? How did you hear about it?
At school.
Is it one of those things that everybody's talking about?
Dude, they just fell. I don't understand.
What is it?
It's a game.
It's a game, and
Yeah.
everybody's talking about Flappy Bird. Is it Flippy Bird or Flappy Bird?
Flappy Bird.
Floppy Bird?
Flappy.
Flappy. My bad.
Dude! No! Yeah, now I get why everybody hates this game.
Flippy Bird?
That means you're going to be addicted, huh?
Yes.
Is it Flippy Bird?
You gotta like tap and keep the bird in the air and you can't hit anything. This is difficult. No! I got to 3.
3
It's
doesn't
like-
sound like a very
Is it
good
Flippy
score.
Bird?
It doesn't sound like a very good score to me.
It's.
Ah.
I don't think it is.
Yeah, I think it's pretty bad.
Oh, I got to 1.
Oh,
You know what?
1 is a really bad score.
I just started. It's the craze. There was some freshman who got like 153, and everybody was freaking out about it. And that one time.
Okay, that's it. I'm gonna play Flappy Bird now because I think you just downloaded it probably for me too.
No.
No, I think you just did.
Oh, okay. So
When
you're
you
gonna-
download it, it goes on my phone.
So you're gonna play Flappy Bird?
Uh-huh.
Okay, have fun.
Okay. Hey, Kenna, what are you doing?
Oh, Facebook.
You're on Facebook?
Yeah.
I'm vlogging.
Why?
Because it's fun. And I'm glad you're not naked or something. Because then I would have had to delete the video. That would have been bad.
Okay.
Okay.